Hi, I'm Sarah from Cocoa Loco, and today I'm going to be making dark chocolate fork cookies. This is a really easy recipe, just using 5 ingredients, and today we're going to be using our 73% dark chocolate buttons. If you haven't had a fork cookie before, you are really missing out. And they're kind of a cross between a shortbread and a normal cookie, and we put some extra Cocoa Loco magic in with dark chocolate in the middle. So grab a pen and listen up. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put up 250 grams of butter into our mixing bowl. This recipe is super easy. It's just a question of putting everything all in one bowl. So then we're going to put in 50 grams of cocoa powder. Don't worry about sieving it. These are really chocolatey, so 50 grams is a really nice quantity. And then we're going to put in 300 grams of flour. And 200 grams of sugar. Our mixer on, and this is going to take a couple of minutes. So the mixture needs to be super squidgy and soft, and we're just going to take the bowl out. So then we're literally going to take a ball, probably about a golf ball size, and then we're going to put in 2 chocolate buttons in the middle, squeeze it around the outside, give it a quick roll, and squish it down with a fork. So you've made your cookie mix, you've rolled it into a ball, you've put the chocolate butter in the middle, and you've squashed it with a fork. Now we're going to pop it into the oven, 180 degrees or 160 fan for 12 to 15 minutes. Once you've taken them out of the oven, leave them to cool for 10 minutes, and then you can enjoy them while they're still gooey in the middle. Or they will keep for up to a couple of weeks, and if you can bear to share them, you'll be everybody's new best friend. I hope you enjoy making these cookies. Check out cocoloco.com for more recipes. Thank you for watching.